Hello everyone, this is Sabina Yasmin presenting on case study of IoT applications, domain specific IoTs. Domain specific IoTs. As you all can see on the screen, there are so many applications of Internet of Things nowadays. IoT application for home, cities, environment, energy system, retail, logistics, industry, agriculture, health and lifestyle that we will study in this presentation. IoT applications for smart homes are smart lighting, smart appliances, intrusion detection, home or gas detectors. Smart lighting. Smart lighting achieve energy savings by sensing the human movements and their environment and controlling the light accordingly. Key enabling technology for smart lighting include solid state lighting, such as LED lights, IP-enabled lights, wireless-enabled and internet-connected lights can be controlled remotely from IoT applications such as mobile or web application. Smart appliances. Smart appliances make the management easier and provide status information of appliances to the user remotely. Example, smart washer, dryer that can be controlled remotely and notify when the washing or drying cycle is complete. Smoke gas detectors. Smoke detectors are installed in homes and buildings to detect smoke that is typically an early sign of fire. It uses optical detection, ionization or air sampling techniques to detect smoke. The form of alert can be in the form signal that sent to a fire alarm system. Gas detector can detect the presence of harmful gases such as carbon monoxide, that is CO, liquid petroleum gas, that is LPG, etc. Intrusion detection. Home intrusion detection systems use security cameras and sensors to detect intrusions and raise alerts. The form of alerts can be in form SMS, email, image grab or a short video clip as an email attachments. Cities. IoT applications for smart cities are smart parking, smart lighting for roads, smart road, structural health monitoring, surveillance, energy response. Smart parking. Finding the parking space in the crowded city can be time consuming and frustrating. Smart parking makes the search for parking space easier and convenient for driver. It can detect the number of empty parking slots and send the information over the internet to the smart parking application, which can be accessed by the drivers using their smartphones, tablets and in-car navigation systems. Sensors are used for each parking slot to detect whether the slot is empty or not, and this information is aggregated by a local controller and then sent over the internet to database. Smart lighting for roads. It can help in saving energy. Smart lighting for roads allow lighting to be dynamically controlled and also adaptive to ambient conditions. Smart lighting connected to the internet can be controlled remotely to configure lighting schedule and lighting intensity. Custom lighting and configurations can be set for different situations such as foggy day, a festival, etc. Smart roads. Smart road provide information on driving condition, travel time estimates and alert in case of poor driving conditions, traffic congestion and accident. Such information can help in making the road safer and help in reducing traffic jams. Structural health monitoring. It uses a network of sensors to monitor the vibration level in the structures such as bridges and buildings. The data collected from these sensors is analyzed to assess the health of structures. By analyzing the data, it is possible to detect cracks and mechanical breakdowns, locate the damages to the structure, and also calculate the remaining life of the structure. Surveillance. Surveillance of infrastructure, public transport and events in cities is required to ensure safety and security. City-wide surveillance infrastructure comprising of large number of distributed and internet-connected video surveillance cameras can be created. Emergency response. IoT systems can be used for monitoring the critical infrastructure cities such as building, gas and water pipelines. Public transport and power substations. IoT system for critical infrastructure monitoring enable aggregation and sharing of information collected from large number of sensors. Environment. IoT applications for smart environments are weather monitoring, air pollution monitoring, noise pollution monitoring, forest fire detection, river flood detection. Weather monitoring. It collects data from a number of sensors attached such as temperature, humidity, pressure, etc. and send the data to cloud-based applications and store back ends. The data collected in clouds can then be analyzed and visualized by cloud-based application. Weather alert can be sent to the subscribed users from such applications. Air pollution monitoring. IoT-based air pollution monitoring system can monitor emission of harmful gases by factories and automobiles using gaseous and meteorological sensors. The collected data can be analyzed to make informed decisions on pollution control approaches. Noise pollution monitoring. Noise pollution monitoring can help in generating noise maps for cities. It can help the policymaker in making policies to control noise levels near residential areas, schools, and parks. It uses a number of noise monitoring stations that are deployed at different places in the city. The data on noise level from the station is collected on servers. Forest fire detection. IoT-based forest fire detection system use a number of monitoring nodes deployed at different locations in a forest. Each monitoring node collects measurements on ambient conditions including temperature, humidity, light levels, etc. Early detection of forest fires can help in minimizing the damage. River flood detection. IoT-based river flooding monitoring system uses a number of sensor nodes that monitor the water level using ultrasonic sensors and flow rate using velocity sensors. Data from these sensors is aggregated in a server or in cloud monitoring application raises alerts when rapid increase in water level and flow rate is detected. Energy. IoT applications for smart energy systems are smart grid, renewable energy systems, prognostics. Smart grids. Smart grid technology provides predictive information and recommendation to utilize their suppliers and their customers on how best to manage power. Smart grid collect the data regarding smart generation, smart consumption, storage, distribution and equipment health data. Renewable energy system. Due to the variability in the output from renewable energy sources such as solar and wind, integrating them into the grid can cause stability and reliability problems. IoT-based systems integrated with the transformer at the point of interconnection measure the electrical variables and how much power is fed into the grid. Prognostics. IoT-based prognostic real-time health management system can predict performance of machine of energy system by analyzing the extent of deviation of a system from its normal operating profiles. In the system such as power grids, real-time information is collected using specialized electrical sensors called phasor measurement units (PMU). OpenPDC is a set of applications for processing of streaming time series data collected from phasor measurement unit (PMUs) in real time. Retail. IoT applications in retail systems are inventory management, smart payment, smart vending machine. Inventory management. IoT system using radio frequency identification tags can help inventory management and maintaining the right inventory levels. Smart payments. Smart payment solutions such as contactless payments, power technology such as near field communication and Bluetooth. NFC is a set of standards for smartphones and other devices to communicate with each other by bringing them into proximity or by touching them. Smart vending machine. Smart vending machine connected to the internet allow remote monitoring of inventory level, elastic pricing of products, promotion and contactless payments using NFC. Smartphone applications that communicate with smart vending machine allow user preferences to be remembered and learned with time. Example, when a user moves from one vending machine to other and pair the smartphone, the user preference and favorite product will be saved and then the data is used for predictive maintenance. Smart vending machine can communicate with each others, so if a product out of stock in a machine, the user can be routed to nearest machine. Agriculture. IoT application for smart agricultures are smart irrigation, greenhouse control. Smart irrigation. Smart irrigation system can improve crop yields while saving water. Greenhouse control. It controls temperature, humidity, soil moisture, light and carbon dioxide level that are monitored by sensing and climatological conditions that are controlled automatically using actuation devices. IoT system plays an important role in greenhouse control and help in improving productivity. Industry. IoT application in smart industry are machine diagnosis and prognosis, indoor air quality monitoring. Machine diagnosis and prognosis. Machine prognosis refers to the predicting the performance of machine by analyzing the data on the current operation conditions and how much deviation exists from the normal operating condition. Machine diagnosis refers to the determining the cause of a machine fault. Sensors in a machine can monitor the operating conditions such as temperature and vibrations level. Sensor data measurements are done on timescales of few milliseconds to few seconds, which lead to generation of massive amount of data. Indoor air quality monitoring. Harmful and toxic gases such as carbon monoxide (CO), nitrogen monoxide (NO), nitrogen dioxide (NO2), etc. can cause serious health problems of workers. IoT gas-based monitoring system can help in monitoring the indoor air quality using various gas sensors. The indoor air quality can be placed for different locations. Health and lifestyles. IoT application in smart health and lifestyles are health and fitness monitoring, wearable electronics. Health and fitness monitoring. Wearable IoT devices allow to continuous monitoring of physiological parameters such as blood pressure, heart rate, body temperature, etc. that can help in continuous health and fitness monitoring. It can analyze the collected health care data to determine any health condition or anomalies. The wearable device can be in various forms such as belts, wristbands. Wearable electronics. Wearable electronics such as wearable gadgets, smartwatch, smart glasses, wristband, etc. provide various functions and features to assist us in our daily activities and making us lead healthy lifestyle. Using the smartwatch, the user can search the internet, play audio video files, make calls, play games, etc. Smart glasses allow users to take photos and record videos, get map direction, check flight status, or search internet using voice commands. Smart shoes can monitor the walking or running speeds and jump with the help of embedded sensors and be paired with smartphone to visualize the data. Smart wristbands can track the daily exercise and calories burned. Thank you.